The garage door creaked open, letting in a stream of sunlight that pierced through the dimness of the space. The light danced across a dusty Hyundai truck, revealing years of neglect and layers of grime. The truck, silent for years, held a 4-cylinder diesel engine under its hood, a forgotten beast waiting to roar again. Stepping into the garage was a young man, barely out of his teens, but his eyes held the wisdom and determination of a seasoned mechanic. This was Ben, and he was about to breathe life back into this forgotten machine, a task that many would find daunting. His hands, already calloused from years of work, rested on the truck's hood, a silent promise to restore the heart of this Hyundai. The air hung heavy with the smell of oil and dust, a testament to the countless hours of labor that had taken place here. It was the kind of smell that clung to you, a reminder of hard work, honest labor, and the promise of transformation. Ben ran his hand across the engine block, feeling the rough texture of rust beneath his fingers, imagining the power it once held. This was no ordinary project. This was a resurrection, a chance to bring something back from the brink. He knew it wouldn't be easy, but the challenge only fueled his determination, igniting a fire within him to see this through. The first step was to understand the engine's story, to uncover the chapters written in grease and grime. Each layer of dirt and every speck of oil held a clue to its past, a testament to the journeys it had powered through. Ben began by carefully removing the engine from the truck, using a chain hoist to gently lower it onto a sturdy stand. This was not just a mechanical task, but a delicate operation, treating the engine with the respect it deserved. With each bolt loosened, with each hose disconnected, the engine revealed more of its past. It was like peeling back the layers of an ancient artifact, each piece telling a part of its long-forgotten story. Years of neglect were evident in the caked-on grime, the rusted bolts, and the worn-out parts. The engine had been through a lot, and its condition was a testament to the harsh environments it had endured. He meticulously labeled each part as he removed it, creating a map to guide him during reassembly. This careful documentation was crucial, ensuring that every piece would find its way back to its rightful place. The engine, once a formidable unit, was now a collection of components, each telling a tale of wear and tear. Spread out on the table, these parts were like pieces of a complex puzzle, waiting to be reassembled. The cylinder head, once responsible for smooth combustion, was scarred with pitting and corrosion. These marks were the result of countless cycles of heat and pressure, a history etched in metal. The pistons, meant to move with effortless power, were seized in their cylinders, frozen by time and neglect. They were once the heart of the engine, now immobilized, waiting for a chance to be revived. With the engine disassembled, the real work began, the cleansing ritual. Every part, no matter how small, was meticulously cleaned. Ben used a combination of degreasers, wire brushes, and even a parts washer to remove years of accumulated grime. The cleaning process was more than just cosmetic. It was about restoring dignity to the machine, erasing the marks of neglect. As the grime dissolved, the true extent of the damage was revealed. The cylinder walls, once smooth, were scored and pitted. The crankshaft, the backbone of the engine, showed signs of wear, but Ben saw beyond the damage. He saw the potential, the chance to bring this engine back to life. Section 4. New life, new parts, a heart transplant. With the cleaning complete, it was time to give the engine a new heart. New pistons, rings and bearings were carefully installed, each one chosen for its quality and compatibility. The crankshaft was machined back to its original specifications, ensuring smooth operation. The cylinder head was resurfaced, erasing the scars of time and ensuring a tight seal. Each new part that Ben installed was a testament to his skill and dedication. He worked with precision, ensuring that every component was installed correctly. Every bolt tightened to the proper torque. The engine, once a collection of worn-out parts, was slowly being reborn. Section 5. The moment of truth, hearing the engine roar. Finally, the moment of truth arrived. After countless hours of meticulous work, it was time to see if all the effort had paid off. The reassembled engine, now gleaming with fresh paint, was carefully lowered back into the truck. Every bolt and nut was in its place, ready for the ultimate test. Ben connected the hoses, tightened the bolts, and double-checked every connection. He knew that even the smallest oversight could spell disaster. With a deep breath, he turned the key. The anticipation was palpable, the air thick with tension. The engine cranked, hesitated for a moment, and then roared to life. The sound was powerful, a mechanical symphony. The sound was music to Ben's ears, a symphony of combustion, a testament to his hard work and dedication. He couldn't help but smile. He let the engine run, listening carefully for any unusual noises, but there were none. It was running perfectly. The engine purred like a contented cat, its exhaust emitting a plume of clean white smoke. The resurrection was complete and the engine was reborn. The Hyundai, once silent and forgotten, was now ready to roar back onto the road, a testament to the power of one young man's passion and skill. It was a moment of triumph.